So once again we are welding on the MX-5, and this time it's in this corner here. We done that back corner last time, but this time there's a little hole on this side which needs patching up, and if I get time I even maybe want to sort out or address a little bit on this back arch here, just to make it look a little bit tidier. Should be the last one. Yes. Right. Yay! Oh. 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 Ta-da! Have a look at that. Look. Down the bottom here. I would say that is not bad.
That's not bad at all, no.
Look at that. That ain't bad. Yeah, usually it's this bit here rusts like hell and starts creeping up here. Apart from under here. We can. There we go, the hole is a little bit bigger now. Looking up inside. Yeah, I want a bit of an inner thing. Yeah. There's another bit just inside this, which is a replaceable part, if you like. That's going to need to be replaced. Now, believe it or not, we actually really kind of struggled to get any sort of weld on here because it was so rusty. But we persevered and we kept on trying and even managed to make the hole bigger. And then unfortunately this happened. Yeah, we did overdo it a little bit. Yeah, it's now a bit wet because it was on fire. Unfortunately, I didn't do much filming after that point. However, we managed to get it done. We managed to completely plug up the hole and put some sealant over it as well, just to make sure it is sealed and rust won't, or water won't get back in again. So hopefully this will pass the MOT. Let's hope.